What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Stripe and WooCommerce payments. WooCommerce Payments and Stripe are two leading payment solutions for online businesses, each offering unique features and benefits. In this comparison review, we will delve into the details of WooCommerce Payments and Stripe Payments to help you make an informed decision for your online payment processing needs. Let's start with WooCommerce Payments. WooPayments is a powerful payment solution designed to streamline the checkout process for WooCommerce stores. With its wide range of payment methods, currency support, and advanced features, WooPayments simplifies online transactions and enhances the overall customer experience. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. WooPayments offers a wide range of payment methods to cater to diverse customer preferences. This includes credit cards, debit cards, express checkout options like WooPay, and digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. By providing a variety of payment options, WooPayments enhances the checkout experience, leading to high conversion rates and reduced cart abandonment. Customers can choose their preferred method, whether it's a traditional credit card, a convenient digital wallet, or an express checkout solution, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable payment process. WooPayments support transactions in over 135 countries, making it an ideal solution for business operating globally. This feature allows customers to view prices and make payments in their preferred currency, eliminating the need for manual currency conversions. Additionally, WooPayment is available in 38 countries, supporting local payment methods like GiroPay, Ideal, P24, EPS, and Bank Contact. By catering to local preference and offering a wide range of currencies, WooPayments enable merchants to expand their reach and cater to international customers, opening up new opportunities for growth and success. WooPayments introduces Tap to Pay on iPhones, enabling merchants to accept in-person contactless payment directly on their iPhone. This feature, available through the Woo mobile app, simplifies in-person transactions and expands the payment options for customers. With Tap to Pay, merchants can easily accept payments from customers who prefer contactless methods, providing a convenient and secure payment experience. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that operate in physical locations or attend events, as it allows them to accept payments on the go without the need for additional hardware. Eligible merchants can access their funds immediately with WooPayments' instant deposit feature. This feature allows for transfer of earnings to a debit card within minutes, including nights, weekends, and holdings at a cost of 1.5% of the payout amount. Instant deposits provide merchants with greater financial flexibility and faster access to their earnings. By offering this feature, WooPayments help merchants manage their cash flow more effectively and respond quickly to business needs, reducing the wait time for funds to become available. WooPayments integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce stores, streamlining the checkout process and providing a unified experience for customers. It offers real-time payment tracking, automated refunds, and customizable checkout options. WooPayments also supports subscription management through WooCommerce subscriptions, making it easier to manage recurring revenue. The integrated dashboard allows merchants to manage all transactions, track cash flow, handle disputes, and oversee recurring revenue directly from their store's dashboard, simplifying the payment process and freeing up time to focus on growing their business. By providing a comprehensive and user-friendly management system, WooPayments helps merchants stay on top of their finances and make informed decisions about their business. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. WooCommerce may not be optimal for business heavily relying on recurring revenue through subscriptions, as it currently lacks support for automatically recurring payments. Additionally, if you use third-party applications with direct integrations to other payment gateways, you may need to manually enter data when using WooCommerce payments. Incorporating too many plugins can lead to performance issues due to increased memory usage, processing power, and bandwidth requirements. Overloading the website with plugins may result in a decline in overall performance. It is advisable to use CSS, jQuery, or HTML judiciously and avoid excessive plugin usage. As WooCommerce was initially developed in the United States, it may not fully cater to the specific needs of different markets. While WooPayment supports transactions in over 135 currencies, there may still be limitations or challenges when operating in certain markets or accepting specific local payment methods. Now, let's talk about Stripe payments. Stripe is a leading global payment processing platform that enables businesses to accept payment online, in person, and around the world. With features like built-in optimizations, access to 100+ payment methods, and reduced fraud, Stripe helps businesses increase revenue and save engineering resources. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Stripe Checkout offers businesses a streamlined payment integration solution with customizable forms designed to enhance conversion rates and simplify the checkout process. By leveraging Stripe Checkout, businesses can enjoy higher conversion rates, reduced engineering efforts, and a seamless customer experience across various devices. With support for one-time payments, subscriptions, and over 40 local payment methods, Stripe Checkout empowers businesses to optimize their checkout process and cater to a global audience efficiently. Stripe Terminal provides a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to unify their online and in-person payment experiences. By utilizing Stripe Terminal, businesses can capture every payment opportunity, streamline operations, and offer a consistent customer experience across different channels. With features like global card reader management, competitive edge through unified experiences, and expanded market reach, Stripe Terminal equips businesses with the tools to stay agile and competitive in the evolving commerce landscape. Stripe Invoicing is a robust invoicing software that simplifies accounts receivable processes, accelerating payment collection, and enhances overall efficiency. Businesses benefit from automated workflows, support for preferred B2B payment methods, and rapid invoice creation and delivery. With high payment speeds, detailed reporting insights, and seamless integrations into existing workflows, Stripe Invoicing empowers businesses to streamline their invoicing process and improve cash flow management. Stripe libraries offer developers a wealth of resources and tools to streamline payment integration and enhance developer productivity. Businesses can leverage Stripe's extensive documentation, libraries for popular frameworks, and a rich plugin ecosystem to build custom payment flows tailored to their specific needs. With reduced integration time, simplified maintenance, and support for a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, Stripe libraries enable developers to focus on creating exceptional payment experiences without the hassle of complex integrations. Stripe Sigma provides businesses with advanced reporting and analytic capabilities to extract valuable insights from their payment data. Businesses can generate tailored reports, access rich datasets, and visualize data effectively. With a seamless integration with BI tools, secure data access, and granular permissions, Stripe Sigma empowers businesses to make informed decisions, optimize performance, and drive growth through data-driven strategies. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Stripe's pricing is competitive, its transaction fees can add up, especially for businesses processing a high volume of transactions. Stripe charges a percentage of each transaction plus a flat rate, which can become costly for merchants with slim profit margins or those processing a large number of small value payments. Like any payment processor, Stripe is susceptible to chargeback disputes, which can result in funds being temporarily withheld from merchants during the resolution process. Chargebacks occur when a customer disputes a charge on their credit card and the merchant is required to provide evidence to justify the transaction. If the merchant is unable to provide sufficient proof, they may be liable for the chargeback fee and the disputed amount. Stripe has strict policies regarding the types of businesses it supports, which may pose challenges for merchants operating in high-risk industries such as adult entertainment or gambling. Stripe may also suspend accounts or freeze funds if it suspects fraudulent activity or violations of its terms and service. This can be particularly problematic for businesses that rely heavily on Stripe for their payment processing needs, as it can disrupt their cash flow and operations. When choosing between WooCommerce payments and Stripe, consider your specific business needs, such as the platforms you use, your target markets, and the features that are most important to you. Both payment solutions offer reliable and secure payment processing, so the choice ultimately comes down to finding the best fit for your online business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.